Welcome to Nature with Aristotle, where we explore the fascinating world of wildlife and ecosystems. Today, we're venturing into the Arctic tundra to uncover the remarkable story of the Arctic fox. This adaptable and resilient creature has captivated scientists and wildlife enthusiasts alike, and for good reason. As we delve into the world of the Arctic fox, you'll discover how this species has evolved to thrive in one of the most inhospitable environments on Earth. The Arctic fox, also known as Vulpes lagopus, is a small carnivorous mammal that inhabits the Arctic tundra and ice caps. With its thick white coat and bushy tail, it's well suited to its frozen habitat. But what makes this species so significant in the natural world? For starters, the Arctic fox plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the Arctic ecosystem. As both predators and scavengers, they help regulate lemming populations, which in turn affect vegetation growth and the overall structure of the tundra community. From an evolutionary perspective, the Arctic fox has been around for thousands of years, with fossil records dating back to the Pleistocene era. Its ancestors were likely adapted to life in temperate forests, but over time, they evolved to occupy the harsh, cold environments of the Arctic. This process of adaptation is a testament to the incredible resilience of life on Earth. Biologically speaking, this species belongs to the family Canidae and is closely related to other foxes, such as the red fox and the gray fox. In terms of habitat, Arctic foxes are found in the Arctic tundra, where they den in complex networks of burrows and tunnels. These dens provide crucial shelter from the extreme cold and wind. Our understanding of the Arctic fox has evolved significantly over time, thanks to the contributions of many naturalists and biologists. One notable researcher is Dr. David Meck, who has spent decades studying the behavior and ecology of Arctic foxes in the wild. His work has shed light on the intricate social dynamics of these animals, including mating habits, territorial behaviors, and hunting strategies. Recent research findings have also revealed some fascinating insights into the behavior of Arctic foxes. For example, studies have shown that these animals are capable of caching, or storing, food for later use. This behavior is essential for survival during periods of scarcity, when lemmings and other prey may be scarce. In fact, researchers have found that Arctic foxes can cache up to 100 lemmings at a time, which they then retrieve using their keen sense of smell. But what about the ecological relationships between Arctic foxes and other species? One interesting example is their commensal relationship with polar bears. In some cases, Arctic foxes will follow the footsteps of polar bears, scavenging their kills and feeding on leftover carcasses. This behavior not only provides a source of food for the foxes, but also helps to clean up the ecosystem by disposing of dead animals. Unfortunately, the Arctic fox is facing several environmental challenges, including climate change, which alters its habitat and prey availability. As sea ice melts, the Arctic fox must adapt to a new environment, where it competes with other predators for food and resources. This has led to a decline in Arctic fox populations in some areas, highlighting the need for conservation efforts to protect this incredible species. In addition to climate change, human activities such as hunting and pollution also pose significant threats to the Arctic fox. For example, the use of pesticides and heavy metals in the Arctic ecosystem can have devastating effects on fox populations, as these toxins accumulate in their bodies and affect their reproductive health. As we conclude our journey with the Arctic fox, let's reflect on what we've learned. This remarkable species has evolved to thrive in one of the most inhospitable environments on Earth, and its story teaches us about the intricate web of relationships within ecosystems. By understanding and appreciating these relationships, we can work towards a future where humans live in harmony with the natural world. That's all for today's Nature with Aristotle. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.